Hi. Hi.
Okay. All right.
Whoa! Hi. My name is Blondie. This is Ghost.
Buddha.
Secret ingredient of the week
Is Rizzo. We like Rizzo though.
dog. Why? Jack now.
Ready?
I am cutting Thai basil right now.
Thai basil?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with the Thai basil?
I'm gonna marinate it in this dog meat that I have going on over here. It's actually a white dog that we have going on today.
That's what I'm saying. Why do you need the ninja?
I want to blend this up real quick, all right? That's all I want to make a little paste. That's all I want to do. Chop that bitch. I just chopped the fuck out of it already, right? I want to blend it.
I'm cooking in the rain. I'm cooking in the rain. I don't know what else after that. But I am cooking in the rain.
And fuck Peter. That's all I have to say.